A fat orange cat stands proudly in a tiny presidential suit, surprised but confident as he becomes president. Wild animals suddenly rush into the palace, causing wild chaos and funny confusion. A clever fox in a green jacket arrives, whispering a smart plan to the fat orange cat. Together, they start a funny dance party to calm the wild animals down. The palace is filled with laughter and music, everyone forgetting the chaos. The fat orange cat enjoys his new role, happy with his clever friend by his side.